Good afternoon, my tutor and my dear student. This is the homework on the Unit 2 in English 5 electiva. And and I wish my uncle is talking about my wishes. And I wish my uncle were in here. And I wish I could travel to work. And I wish I was best at teaching in the work. And I wish I have a lot of money to help to help people, to help anyone. And I wish my mother to be very happy in the world. And I wish to teach English for all, or try to teach for everybody or anyone. And I wish and I wish that my closest friend come to see me on Saturday. And I wish I had a great car, never buy another kind of car, just like it's a dream car. That is my own wish. And I wish I bring pictures to my family. And I wish a big house to my mother. And I wish I have a lot of money to help people in need. And I wish I have been the best chef. I like cook. And I wish and I was excellent tutor. And I wish and a good man where I go. And I wish I had a big gym or buy a gym for me. And I wish my relationship never ends. And I wish I could put my sister to college. And I wish and I could speak English perfectly. And I wish working as a teacher. And I wish I have money to travel for any places in the world, different cultures. And I wish work for to collect my money, and I pay my university children. And I wish I have money for to buy food and the people poor. And I wish the peace and love for all the world. And I wish that the money for to use and the people poor and help them. And I wish to travel in the world. And I wish was a best teacher one day, work in different school, in university or high school, any place where I go. And I wish my uncle were in here with me. He's sick, he has cancer, and I wish help him too. And I wish a big house to my mother. She is very poor, she does not have money, and I need her, and I need one to buy a house for her. That that was all of my wishes that I have in my life. Thanks.